Hi all, welcome back. Today I am going to share the recipe of Ragi health mix, which is very beneficial. You can use this as porridge for kids, or for adults you can also make this as malt. I am making this especially for a 6-month-old baby. I am going to start by taking good quality ragi and wash it 5 to 6 times. I am going to soak it in water for one whole day, 24 hours. The next day I am going to strain the ragi. I am using a cotton cloth to strain the ragi as cotton cloth is breathable. Once all of the water is dripped, I am going to keep this in a bowl and cover it, and I am going to leave it for 24 hours so that the ragi is nicely sprouted. It also depends on the kind of climate it is, but it will take around 24 hours to 30 hours for ragi to sprout nicely. You can see how well the ragi has sprouted. Along with sprouted ragi, I am going to use 1 glass of wheat, 1 glass of fine quality Urad dal, and 1 glass of parboiled rice. Now going to wash all of this nicely a couple of times until the water runs clear. You can adjust the quantity of dal and rice according to the age of your kids. If your kid is small, then you can reduce the quantity of dal you are adding. Now after they are nicely washed, I am going to put it in a strainer and strain them for a couple of hours so that it is easy for me to dry them. Now I am going to transfer them in a big vessel and I am going to dry them in sunlight for one whole day. It is best to do this procedure on a sunny day. I am covering it with a cotton cloth so that birds don't feed on this. After they have dried, I am going to bring them and I am going to roast them on slow medium flame for a couple of minutes until they are nice, fragrant and change their color. So I am going to roast all of the ingredients: ragi, the dal, wheat and rice. While roasting, my house was fragrant with the rustic and beautiful smell of the pulses. I like to roast them in small batches so that it is easy for me. The more you roast the ragi, the more fragrant and yummy your porridge is going to be. Along with ragi, the other ingredients I am going to use are 100 grams of almonds, 5 cardamoms, 1 spoon of fennel seed and 1.5 spoon of black peppercorns. All of these ingredients are very beneficial for the digestion, immunity and also for the nervous system. Now once all of the ingredients are cooled down, I am going to transfer this into a box and I am going to send this to the mill to grind them into a fine powder. Now it has returned. It is fine powdered and I have also advised him to powder it twice so that it is smooth. Now sieve it nicely. Especially for babies, it is better to sieve the whole powder twice. Throw away these impurities. Store this powder in an airtight container. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.